She must have been, what, 21 years old when she adopted 2 girls.
Yeah.
Hi guys!
Icons like Sushmita Sen, Raveena Tandon and Angelina Jolie have proudly chosen adoption. And in Indian mythology, Devi Sita was adopted by Raja Janak. Lord Krishna was raised by Yashoda and Nand. And Rani Lakshmibai fought a war to protect her adopted son's throne. Adoption is considered noble, but in India, it can take over 3 years to legally adopt a child. Why so long? Let's break down how adoption actually works in India. Adoption here is governed by the Juvenile Justice Act, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act or HAMA, and for non-Hindus, the Guardians and Wards Act. For adoption between direct relatives under HAMA or the Guardianship Act, just an adoption deed or a civil court order is enough. But most modern adoptions happen through CARA, which is the Central Adoption Resource Authority, even within close relatives. And for that, there are strict requirements, which include a minimum age of 25 for the prospective adopted parent. They must be at least 25 years older than the child who's to be adopted. A couple who wants to adopt must be married for at least 2 years. Single men can adopt only boys. Single women can adopt any gender. The age cap, the maximum age for adoption is 55 for a single person, but 110 for the combined couple. Adoptive parent must be physically, mentally, emotionally and financially fit. There can be no criminal background or a child abuse case. And here's how the actual adoption process works. Step 1. Register on the CARA portal. Fill the application, submit ID, income, health and family details. Choose your preferences, the age of the child, the gender, the state or region. You can even specify your comfort with special needs children. Step 3 is the home study. Within 60 days, a licensed social worker visits your home. Step 4 is the approval. If cleared, your profile goes into the waiting pool and the matching then begins. When a child becomes available, you will be shown one match at a time. You get 48 hours to accept or wait for the next one. You can reject up to 3 children before going back to the bottom of the list. And once you accept, the child is reserved for you and the legal process begins. First is the foster care placement, a 30-day trial period when the child lives with you, monitored by CARA and adoption agency. Final legal adoption happens when the district magistrate passes the adoption order after all checks. The child's identity documents are updated with the new parents' names. And there is post-adoption monitoring for about 2 years when your family will be monitored to ensure that the child is safe and thriving. Remember, adoption is finalized only after the magistrate's order. Sounds long? That's because it is. Wait times can be over 3 years, especially for infants. And why is it so strict? To protect the children. Only children declared legally free for adoption by the Child Welfare Committee can be adopted. The CWC has to verify no living parents or relatives willing to care for the child. Adoption is life-changing for the child and the parent, but it is not just an emotional journey, it's a legal one. So if you're ready to welcome a child into your life, do it the right way.
Mom.